Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to mount and balance the tire. Lift the tire off. Putting the sensor here to protect it. Make sure the valve stem is right there. Now we're going to put the tire on, making sure that there's no inside-outside on the edge of the tire. So we get it right. So it goes on easier. Again, protecting the sensor. Alright, just like that, it's on. Now we're going to take the valve core out so it airs up evenly. Air the tire up to 40 psi. Now I'm going to show you how to balance the tire. I got to put it in the back. This particular rim has a small opening, so we have to put it in the back. Make sure it's tight. Now we set up the machine. I like to do it this way. There's several ways you can do it. Now the machine is set up and you're ready to balance. Be sure you remove all the old weights first. And it balanced out with no weight.